Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we see about the term symbol, which is most important general in physical and inorganic chemistry. So one question must be asked into the setnet examination on the basis of term symbol. So it is also important. In this term symbol we see about the how to calculate the term symbol in this video. So that this term symbol, the definition of this term symbol for the term symbol is an abbreviated description of the total angular momentum quantum number in a multi-electron atom or even in a single electron atom. So this is the generally one of the abbreviated form of the angular momentum quantum numbers is given that. So this is the that is the general form of the term symbol. This is the general form in this 2s plus 1 L, and this is the J. Each condition, and that is each term are described here. This is the 2s plus 1. In this it is known as the spin multiplicity, in which that this S is the the spin quantum numbers of any electron. So that 2s plus 1 is known as the spin multiplicity. L is the total magnetic quantum number, that is the all the that is magnetic quantum number which are adding, and then it gives the value of L, that is the total magnetic quantum numbers. And J is known as the LS coupling or Russell-Sanders coupling, that is the L plus S. The value of J is L plus S to the L minus S. When you take any example, it will must be simplifies that. So friends, I will be suggest to, if any that is the any mistakes are taken in my video, you must be comment to my channel. I will be give a best way to explain that. So I will take one example here, that is the P2 system I have taken place here, that is the pure orbital is taken, and which are having the 2 electrons. We know that P shell has subdivided into the 3, that is the 1, 2 and 3, that is P subshell had divided into 3. Here plus 1, 0 and minus 1, these are the magnetic quantum number. These are the magnetic quantum number. Magnetic quantum numbers. I will be make a separate video on all the quantum numbers. You must be subscribed to my channel for getting the notification to that. So that is the magnetic quantum numbers, and so that there will be the 2 electrons, so each electron having the half spin. So the total spin, that is the S is the spin of the electron. So this one has the half spin and this one has the half spin. The total spin will be the half plus half, 1 half plus half is equals to 1. So that this will be the total spin of the 1. When spin multiplicity is taking here, that is 2s plus 1. When we put the value of S in this equation, so we get this total spin is the 3, that is the triplet is given, that is 3 is given. So that when, and the L values, we know that L value is the total magnetic quantum numbers. This is the L value is there, that is total magnetic quantum number. So this one is the plus 1 and this one is the 0. When these 2 are added, then we will give the value of L. So plus 1 and 0 is gives the 1. So this is the value of the L, that is 1. When we take, this is the values of L is there given here. So when L equals to 0, we used S symbol in the term symbol. When S is equal, that is the L is equals to 1, we use the P as the symbol, and yes, L is equals to 2, we use the D, and the L is equals to 3 when we use the F as the instead of L values. These are the important that is the notes is there. So there will be the, when the value of L is equals to 0, you use S. L is equals to 1, you use the P. L equals to 2, use D, and L equals to 3 when we use F as the term symbol. So when, so that L is equals to 1 is there, so we used P here. So and the value of L, that is the value of J is taken here, that is the Russell-Sanders coupling, that is L plus S to the L minus Yes, here value of L is equals to 1 and value of S is equals to 1. So 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and 2, 1 plus 1 is equals to, that is 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. So all the values in between the 2 to 0 we are taking here, that is 2, 1 and 0. These are the three values in between the 2 to 0. So lastly, put all the values in the, that is the general term symbol here, that is 2s plus 1 L and J, and we gives the, that is the 3, that is the spin multiplicity we are calculating in above 3, and value of L, that is L is equals to 1. Then we take a P as symbol P, and these are the value of J, that is 2, 1 and 0. You must be written as in the form of this commas, or you must be written also, or you must be written as the separate, that is 3p2 or 3p1 or 3p0. These are the value of J which are separated here. So this is called as the term symbol, and this is your answer of the p2 term symbol is taking place here. Here one thing is must be remembered, that which one is the ground state, it will be the asked into the examination. After the calculating the term symbol, which one is the ground state, you must be determined. I make a video on this, that is the Hund's rule, which are mostly important into the calculating the ground state term symbol. You must be subscribed, and when I upload this video, you must be get a notification to place the bell icons. When we take a second one example is there, that is the D4 we are taking system here taking place here. So we know that into the D shell there will have the 5, that is subcell is there. So we are taking it, this as the 5 subcell, 1 2 3 4 and 5 is taking place here. So D4 means 4 electrons are placed into this. So we are placed these electrons as like that, there will 1 2 3 and 4 electrons are placed in here. So first of all we calculating the spin of the each electron. This electron have half spin, these have half, this have half, this one have, all are in same direction. So there will be the spin equals to 2. When total spin multiplicity, that is 2s plus 1 is calculated, then s is placed into this. 2 into 2 is equals to 4 plus 1 is equals to 5. That is the spin multiplicity taken as the 5. When the calculating the value of L, that is the that is magnetic moment, that is minus 2 plus 1. Here one thing also remember, that every value of that value of S or value of L or value of J which are placed into the mod, so that these values are never negative, these are always be the positive, because these are placed into the mod. So when we take this example, when this L is equals to 2 is there, that is the minus 1, and this minus 1 is cancelled out, and this minus 2 which are acting as the plus 2, because all the values are placed into the mod. So these 2 minus will be the removed out, and the L value is equals to 2. So for the two values we used D as the symbol. We are previously knows that, that is when the L is equals to 0 we use S, L equals to 1 P, and even the L equals to 2 when we use the D value. So and the Russell Sander coupling, that is LS coupling is taking place, that is L plus S is equals to L equals to 2 and S equals to 2. 2 is equals to 4, and to the 2 minus 2, that is 0. All the values intermediate between the 4 to the 0 we are taking place here, and all the term symbols are placed here, so that there will be the 5 term symbols are taking place here. So this is about the term symbol. We taking here 2 examples only. When you must be solve all the examples on this, and if any difficulties are, you must be comment. I will be the give the that is examples to you at a homework. You must be solve it. We take it, that is P5 system is there, D9 system is there, D8, that is D8 system is there. You must be solve this system, and if any difficulties you must be comment. I will be the give the suggestion to you. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share my channel.